What's up, YouTube? This is your host Poison, and welcome back to the channel that is Cyber Attacks Deconstructed. Today, I'm going to show you how to run our locally hosted LLM Agentic AI SOC Analyst. So, as you can see, we are here in the terminal. Yeah, it is Windows terminal. And first, we have to install Llama 3.2 model. For that, we are going to enter our command Ollama full Llama 3.2. It will show you. So basically I have installed it from previous, so it is showing me way quicker than the response you will be showing. You will take some time. It will, as it is, as the Llama is of 2.0 GB, it will take around 15 to 20 minutes, I guess. And then we will check if our Llama has been installed or not by typing the command Ollama list. No, list. Yep, as you can see, we have installed Llama successfully. Now, to start the Llama, we will just type the command that is Ollama run Llama, our model's name. It will take some time. It will take some time. Yeah. So as you can see, hi, how are you doing today? We will ask this question. Yeah, if you're getting this response, that means well done. You have completed the first stage of getting your Ollama set it up successfully. Now we will simply say bye to it. So now we will head back to our virtual studio. Sorry, sorry, Visual Studio, and from that we will first enable our virtual environment by typing this command, that is, from in current directory go to virtual environment folder, from that scripts and activate. As we are running from PowerShell, we will give activate.ps1 script command. There we go, we have started our virtual environment, and from that we will first check if our Ollama exists here. No, that was the wrong command. Ollama, yeah, we can see we have our Ollama 3.2 latest version model in this folder. Now we will start our app by typing this command, that is python module uvcon API from our API folder and app.app and reload, and simply press enter. Okay, here we have some problem. Let's find it out. So as we were running it in a virtual environment, from without virtual environment it was running pretty quickly, but in virtual environment we haven't installed the uvcon or the fast APIs front end, which we are required for this. Now we will start our project, that is our agentic AI SOC analyst. Yep, there we go. We have started. A, as always, no module. Yep, report lab. So let's install our module. If we install report app, yeah. So so we are basically if we haven't started it on virtual environment, without virtual environment, if we have used or started it, it would have normally started the project. From my Python experience, when you see such a big error code, I will simply tell you not to get panic. Just go to the end and find what is said here. It is said module not found error, which means the module you are using is not installed in your PC or in your local machine. And it will also tell you the name which is required, that is no module named report lab. So let's clear our screen, let's run. Okay, so wait a second, let me install all the sorry guys, let me install all the modules which are required for our project, and I'll head back to you right back. Okay, I'm back. So basically we have installed all the requirements which was needed for our project. Then we will take this URL, simply copy it, go to our, let's say, browser, and just paste it there. Click enter. There we go. We have our started. See, that is cute. The shark with the intention of deep, precise threat. Okay, so now as you can see, this is our interface of agentic security operation platform. Here we can choose the file which we are required, that is log file. So when we click our this security, choose security log, we will head over to this our default folder. From that we will choose our log, that is brute force log. Let's select that. Okay, wait a second, let's head back. Yeah, from there we will choose this log and open it, and we will just hit start the investigation. All right folks, from thousands and thousands of error, after after getting module error, after getting runtime error, we have solved it. And from now we will just, okay, just choose our security investigation log. We will choose a brute force log, as you can see, and we will start our investigation. You will see here all the steps it's going to take to analyze it and show you the result. And yeah, it will give a generated PDF report. We will see in few minutes. First let it complete. Meanwhile, you might be thinking why Poison have put it shark in here. Yeah, it is my favorite amphibian, as you can say, because sharks are basically, oh, we are done. Let me complete first. Sharks are basically knife, as you can say, if you not poke it around. If you poke it around, he will piece off your heart. Let it be. So as you can say, investigation is complete. It has given us the incident ID, attack type. It is also showed us what type of confidence it is. Confidence means how secret you must keep this information, and it is also gave us the source IP from which the brute force was started. It has given us the technique mapping, that is technique ID 1110, that is brute forcing, and tactic that is used in that technique is credential access. In this, we have found the evidence or indicator of compromise, that is also known as IOCs, that is one IP address. It is also shown if domains is been included, URL has been included, hashes has been created, or files has been created. From our multi-agent analysis, it will show us investigation status. From that, we will show confirmed hypothesis, incomplete task, there is no, failed task, there is none, root cause identified, yes it did, response adversary, yes it did. From our response agent, we show that is it is P2 response severity. From plan ID, we have got the plan ID, plan status that is awaiting approval. Yeah, before getting to the final report stage, I want to inform that this LLM will not take decision if a final analyst take approve or take decisions on it. Okay, LLM will not take the decision regarding from your side. You have to approve it. In future, we are going to implement the version where yes, after approval, Ollama can create or generate a ticket, and from that ticket, it will blocklist the IP, the source IP which is found, or the evidence which is found into the blacklist from our firewall setting. And yes, here we go. We have seen the PDF has generated, and it is also given us the name, that is PDF 2026-0820, that is the date of today, and it is has given the ID and brute force type PDF. There is two option here. One is view report and second is download PDF. We can also view report from it, and it will take us to the new tab. Here you go. SOC incident report, severity, medium, and all the type. Yes, recommended tool, create ticket. It will also show the source log or the path from which we have implemented the source, technique ID, technique name, tactics, log profile, Linux authentication or SSH log, format plain text, line code 4, contains timestamp. Yes, it contains logs contained timestamp. After this, I'm going to show you what the actual log file will look. Contains IP, yes it does. Contain URL, no it doesn't. Contains process, no it doesn't. Contains event ID, no it doesn't. Contains hash, no it doesn't. Also, there might be possibilities where an analyst might investigating this PDF might mistakenly click if every indicator, every proof of no IOCs indicator of compromise will be shown here in the defang indicators. Why we decided to defang it? Because there might be a situation where you in your log there might be some malicious URL. So analyst might mistakenly click it, and it might also compromise his system. So to avoid that, we have applied a defang indicator section where every contents or every indicators or every URL will be defined, so the mistake or mishap of clicking that link mistakenly will be avoided. Analyst assessment not available. Recommendation: review the affected host, validate the observed activity, and investigate related events before containment. It is also given as policy reason. Multiple authentication failure indicated, matched a brute force pattern. Threat intel. Let's see what threat intel tells us. External enrichment results are read-only and do not automatically blacklist or submit observables. As I told you before, this agent don't take actions. You have to choose. So here is the IP, here is the internal IP, extreme lookup skipped, risk score, local safety check skipped. Deterministic intelligence investigation. In intelligence investigation, we have choose the APIs of VirusTotal and AbuseIPDB, that is Abuse IP database. From using that API keys, our system will analyze or check whether this IP address is located or registered on their system, on their database or not. So this is our IP. This is the risk from 100. It is given us 22 score, that is low. Worded low risk, correlation medium, that is P3, action, create ticket and revive. External provider. As you can see, this is the 11 page report. So yeah, and also it is also given us reconstructed attack chain, investigation hypothesis summary, multi-agent response adversary, recommendations, and lot many more. This was the view feature of our PDF. Now we can also download it. Yeah, first I implemented automatic download feature, but as you can see, the analyst who is using this agent will get, I think, get nervous if suddenly a PDF started to download on his system. So we avoided that and implemented a download PDF folder. Yes, there you go. If we go in download section and open this file, yeah, that is the same file as we have viewed. As we can see, we can also get the JSON prompt of our investigation, that is in the technical section for the technical details section. As you can see, this is our JSON. We can copy this and save for further investigation. And if we want to investigate another log file, we will simply hit analyze another log and it will revert us back to the home page. So that's for it, folks. I hope you like this tutorial of our agentic AI SOC analyst, that is Stark AI SOC analyst. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.